Hello everyone, this video I will tell you a detail about Honeymoon Gorilla Trekking and Wildlife Tour in Rwanda. Activities to do in Rwanda while on a romantic honeymoon. It's worth including Rwanda in your list of honeymoon places if you want to spend exciting yet peaceful time together. Great vegetation and 1,000 hills, akin to the Swiss Alps, may be found across Rwanda. Together, these offer a breathtaking perspective. Any Rwanda safari should include gorilla trekking, but there are many other activities you may participate in there as well. It is fascinating and enjoyable to trek through Rwanda jungles in search of mountain gorillas, especially if you do it with a special someone. As many different birds live in the pristine Volcanoes National Park, Rwanda is the greatest place to go on a honeymoon if you're in love with birds. Some of the best things to do while on your honeymoon tour in Rwanda. Gorilla trekking. Chimpanzee trekking. Golden monkey trekking. Game drives in Rwanda. Boat trips. Canopy walk. Dian Fossey trek. Hiking mountains. Birding in Rwanda. Kigali city tour. Honeymoon gorilla trekking tour in Rwanda. Going for gorilla trekking in Rwanda would be a lovely honeymoon adventure. Moving into a dense forest with your spouse is an experience unlike any other. You must get permits for Rwandan gorilla trekking, which cost $1,500 per person each trek. The jungle is challenging, especially given its geography of mountains, thus you must have gorilla hiking equipment. You'll also need trekking boots, long-sleeved clothing, waterproof gear, and other items. The day of gorilla trekking involves getting up early for a briefing at ORTPN, packing a small backpack with your belongings, and then traversing Volcanoes National Park with other trekkers until you spot the gorillas. Watch out for additional well-known primates who pass their day in the wild. Blue monkeys, red-tailed monkeys, olive baboons, black and white colobus monkeys, and numerous other species are just a few examples. Forest delicacies and secure havens for nesting and breeding are enjoyed by a diverse bird population. Watch out for numerous birds, such as Albertine endemics as Shelley's crimsonwing and a variety of others. The mountain gorillas may only be observed for one heartfelt hour. Your adrenaline may spike when you catch a glimpse of the gorilla family, but try to remain cool and observe how each gorilla goes about its daily routine. For recollections of your encounter with the mountain gorillas in the mist, take as many pictures as you like. Slowly make your way back to your accommodation to unwind. Honeymoon chimpanzee trekking tour in Rwanda. During chimpanzee trekking, it is unforgettable to meet a man's closest relatives in the wild as a new family. You can take advantage of this chance at a reasonable price in Nyungwe National Park in Rwanda. To get the most out of this magnificent forest, you need to create the ideal schedule for your Rwandan honeymoon. You may witness a variety of fascinating primates in Nyungwe National Park, including blue monkeys, black and white colobus, red-tailed monkeys, Angola colobus, silver monkeys, Hamlin's monkeys, dense Mona monkeys, and many more. It's amazing to learn about more of the 275 bird species that Nyungwe National Park is home to. Honeymoon Wildlife Tour in Rwanda. A deeper inner emotion of love is produced when natural vistas are combined with it. It is never a mistake to get up early for a game drive at Akagera National Park. Amazing species including as zebras, elephants, buffaloes, Uganda cobs, water bucks, bush bucks, rarely seen lions, and so much more may be found in the park. The towering hills that make a lovely backdrop for the excellent vista are tucked around Lake Ihema. Kigali city tour in Rwanda. The city trip provides various in-depth perspectives of Kigali, allowing visitors to experience the real beating heart of Rwanda. Kigali City offers a mild environment that is suitable for a romantic getaway all year round. The city gives shimmering nighttime vistas of the winding hills it occupies. Visit the enormous, gorgeous Muslim mosque to receive blessings for your relationship and shop on the commercial strip. Stop at a restaurant in the city to sample some of Rwanda regional fare. However, menus often feature international dishes as well. Consider making a trip to the Rwandan genocide memorials, which preserve the bones of thousands of citizens who perished during the 100-day terror campaign. The Blue Beret Memorial Site, the Gisozi Genocide Memorial, and St. Famille Church are some of the nearby memorials. These represent unresolved interpersonal and communal issues that turned into rage, hatred and large-scale killings. Honeymoon Golden Monkeys Trek Trip in Rwanda. The Volcanoes National Park is home to golden monkeys, which is an interesting addition to the must-do activities in Rwanda. Golden monkeys are one of things you are looking for if you need a springboard for your vacation days when you are on your honeymoon. Even after they have grown somewhat accustomed to being around people, these elusive monkeys never stop moving. You won't have as much time to get bored because they are so busy in the jungle. You must follow their perpetual wandering as they hop from tree to tree. Get ready to move around when the golden monkeys trek. The body size of the golden monkeys is larger than that of any other monkey species in the jungle. Golden brown body hair, particularly on the lower back, is seen on them. Dian Fossey trekking. She committed a horrible massacre in 1985 because of her destructive love for mountain gorillas. When you visit Dian Fossey's tomb while on your honeymoon in Rwanda, it strengthens your commitment to your partner. Even though Dian Fossey was an intelligent woman, she devoted her life to fighting for the helpless mountain gorillas that were in danger of going extinct. She was a kind person who wanted to establish a research foundation to inspire others to cherish mountain gorillas. In Rwanda, she established the Karasoke Research Center, where she conducted mountain gorilla research and served as the foundation for subsequent researchers' work. Bird watching in Rwanda while on honeymoon. For a couple of dedicated birders, birding in Rwanda is one of the most rewarding experiences. The environment in Rwanda is well suited for a rich bird life to flourish. There are around 700 bird species, including 4 pure endemics and about 44 regional endemics. You might travel to Rwanda and stop at places like Nyungwe Forest National Park, home to over 283 different bird species, 27 of which are indigenous to the Albertine region. You might encounter a variety of birds, including Shelley's crimsonwing, mountain masked apalis, red-throated alethi, and Archer's red chat. Another excellent place to go birding in Rwanda is Volcanoes National Park, which is home to over 90 different bird species, more than 13 of which are endemic. A few examples of the birds that can be found there include the handsome francolin, Ruwenzori turrico, and Archer's robin chat. The most beautiful honeymoon experience is going on a leisurely birding expedition at Volcanoes National Park to identify the bird species with your partner. Honeymoon Canopy Walk in Rwanda. A canopy walk over Nyungwe Forest is sometimes referred to as Romance in the Blue. The Igashigishigi route leads to Uwinka, where the approximately 90-minute hike begins. The Nyungwe Forest, which is located around 50 meters below the suspension bridge, is visible from the bridge as an uneven canopy. You may observe many birds landing and taking off from the dense forest cover at Nyungwe Forest, a fantastic location for birdwatching. With the aid of a pair of binoculars, search for fascinating primates that enjoy spending the day in the trees, such as blue monkeys, vervet monkeys, golden monkeys, black and white monkeys, Dubrazaes monkeys, olive baboons, and many more. Honeymoon Mountain Hiking in Rwanda. A honeymoon that includes a trek up one of Rwanda's magnificent mountains offers the ideal amount of privacy. A day hike on the mountains of Mountain Bisoke, Mountain Karasimbi or Muhavura, Mountain Gahinga, or Mountain Sabienyo is breathtaking. Take in the lovely uneven views of various elevations of plants that offer great perspectives. Spend some time with your companion identifying recognizable flora, animals, hills, and more at your own speed. View the globe from above, where you might be able to catch a glimpse of DR Congo, Rwanda, and Uganda. Honeymoon Boat Cruise Trip in Rwanda. With your spouse by your side, a boat journey on Lake Ihima is a great idea as you take in the raised surrounding hills and plants. Wild animals may move nearby to take a bath and quench their thirst. Impalas, Burchell zebras, Rothschild zebras, buffaloes, elephants, black rhinos, waterbucks, and bushbacks are just a few of the exotic species you might observe. Many species, especially aquatic birds, like spending time on the shores of Lake Ihima. On a boat excursion with a loved one, it is lovely to watch them land and watch others take off. What to bring on your honeymoon tour to Rwanda? Wear warm clothing because Rwanda is typically cold all year round, especially in the morning. Wearing gardening gloves will help you maintain a tighter grip on the overgrown creepers on the pathways while you hike with the gorillas. Tracking footwear, as the bush is typically swampy and difficult if you plan to undertake chimpanzee or gorilla trekking on your honeymoon. Sunscreen to wear when relaxing and sunbathing at the hotel or lodge pool. While in the wilderness, insect repellent to slather on your body. You might get bitten by stinging insects in the jungle. Sleeveless clothing to wear during game drives, especially when it's hot outside. A compact, waterproof bag for carrying your belongings as you explore Rwanda on your honeymoon. Energy snacks to nibble on in Rwanda while participating in various activities. A second camera battery to switch out with when the first one runs out. Waterproof clothing for sudden downpours, especially when engaging in trekking activities like chimpanzee or gorilla trekking. A camera so you may document your Rwandan honeymoon. Thank you for watching. Please wait the next videos. Please drop subscribe, like and share. Thanks.